Want to add that trending TikTok song to your CapCut PC project? This video will show you exactly how to import audio and sync it to the beat, even if you don't have TikTok on your PC. We'll cover the process step by step while also considering best practices and legal aspects. In 2025, CapCut is the go-to for easy short-form edits, so let's get started. To import audio into CapCut, first launch the application on your PC through the web editor at CapCut.com or the downloaded app. Navigate to the Media tab and select Import Audio. You can then upload your song file, supporting formats like MP3 and WAV. If using a TikTok song, ensure it's legally downloaded or search CapCut's royalty-free library for licensed alternatives. Keep the file size under 320 kbps for optimal quality. Due to copyright restrictions, CapCut doesn't allow direct downloading of copyrighted TikTok sounds. Use third-party TikTok downloader apps to legally download audio, or use royalty-free alternatives from CapCut's library. Ensure you are complying with the platform's rules and regulations to avoid copyright issues. Place the imported audio on the timeline. Use CapCut's beat detection tool under Audio Effects to analyze the song's BPM. Most viral TikTok tracks are between 90 to 140 BPM. Align video edits with the detected beats by dragging the audio waveform. For quicker syncing, the Smart Sync feature uses AI to auto-match audio beats to video keyframes. Advanced syncing techniques in CapCut PC enhance precision and smoothness in your edits. Use waveform visualization for precise timing adjustments. The visual representation of audio levels helps align beats and cuts exactly. Implement crossfades to smoothly transition between audio clips. This creates seamless blending, where one clip fades out as another fades in. If you speed up or slow down your video, utilize pitch correction to maintain audio harmony. This prevents unnatural voice or instrument changes. CapCut's AI-driven tools can reduce editing time for syncing by up to 70%. These intelligent features automate much of the synchronization process. Copyright protection is fundamental when using music in your videos. When you import audio into CapCut, the software automatically checks for potential licensing issues and flags unlicensed content. Using copyrighted music without permission can result in serious consequences, including account suspension or permanent bans from CapCut and related platforms. Content using unlicensed audio may also be taken down from platforms like TikTok or YouTube, losing your audience reach and potentially damaging your creator reputation. To avoid these issues, always use royalty-free music from CapCut's library or obtain proper licenses for any copyrighted material you want to include. A music license agreement provides legal permission to use specific tracks, outlining terms for usage rights and any required payments. Copyright infringement can lead to various consequences, including legal penalties, financial fines, and professional setbacks. Always verify permissions before using any music. Remember, avoid using copyrighted music unless you have explicit rights to it. This protects your work and ensures compliance with digital content laws. For smooth performance, your PC should have at least 8 GB of RAM. CapCut supports up to 4K resolution, so ensure your hardware can handle it. Optimize your workflow by using audio normalization to prevent clipping. Utilize multi-track editing for layering different sounds. In 2025, AI-assisted editing is trending in video creation tools. CapCut integrates AI for beat matching, similar to competitors like Adobe Sensei, reducing editing time by up to 50% according to experts. Future developments include direct API access for importing trending TikTok sounds by 2026 and VR/AR syncing capabilities by 2027.